Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we are talking about Shiba Inu. We've been speaking about this one a few times on my channel. I've had a couple of days off, but we're back at it. We've got some Shiba Inu updates today. Why has the price been dropping? What's going on with this one? Where we can see this going? And what's the latest around Shiba Inu? If you appreciate all these updates, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel as well. That really is appreciated. We also have a free Discord and I have a Patreon where you can get exclusive videos and exclusive access to my buys and sells and live streams. Anyway, let's get into this. We are talking about Shiba Inu. This is a decentralized meme token that has grown into a vibrant ecosystem, and that's their key line there, key phrase on their website. Shiba Swap, fund tokens, artistic incubator, and a growing community of over 300,000 different holders and investors, and more on the horizon. And that is for sure, more on the horizon. This crypto has been taken off over the past few days, okay, literally the past few days. Some people have made crazy gains, some people are currently sitting in the red. Let's see what's going on with this one. Let's look at the current crypto price here for Shiba Inu. This is SHIB. At this time of recording, it might look slightly different, but it currently trades for 0.0000401899. Okay, so like I say, this might look slightly different, but it's not going to change too drastically, and it is down on the day at this moment in time. Okay, fairly big red day. However, that seems to be this trend across the board at this moment in time. So it has dropped down. If we look at the actual price of this, you can see what a crazy run that's been. It went all the way up and all the way back down. If we just go on the 7-day chart here, we can see this pretty much went up to highs around 38. Now when I say 38, I mean 0.4038. Nowhere even near a penny there per crypto, per token. But since those highs there of 38, we are currently back down at this moment in time, like I say, to about 19. Okay, that's 0.00000019. So yeah, it has had a big drop off, and the 24-hour price change is around about 20% down at this moment in time. However, like I say, you know, if this only really started shooting up from May the 8th, May the 8th was when this started getting crazy pumps. Back then it was a volume of about 350 million. 350 million, which is obviously a crazy amount, but at its peak, we did see this one go up to about 19 billion in terms of its volume. Absolutely insane. We can look at the historical data right here. Over the last few days, slightly pulling back on the volume. However, you can't be complaining like this. Right now, the volume, as of yesterday, was still over 7 billion volume, and today it still hangs around the 8 billion mark, 7-8 billion mark as well. 7 billion with a market cap of around 7 billion as well. That is so insane here for basically a meme token that is very new on the scene, nicknamed the DogeCoin Killer. So yeah, we are seeing crazy volume, but if we go back to just a couple of days ago when we were speaking about this one, this was at a volume there of about 19 billion and a market cap of almost 14 billion. So yeah, insane volumes on this one. It's come onto the scene out of nowhere. We seem to speak about this one at the perfect time, okay, and if you bought in when we did, then you'll probably be on very nice gains right now. We also got the Binance listing, okay. The Binance listing saw this one have a lot of pump going up to it. A case of, we said this, is it a case of buy the rumor, sell the news? Well, maybe, okay, that might be one of the reasons why this is pulling back, because people are selling, people are taking their profits. That's just one of the reasons here. Type in Shiba, just Shiba. There's news all around Shiba, but this one I wanted to pick a point out. Why is Shiba Inu down today? Now, as we know, it's down on the day, like we just spoke about, okay? Not drastically, about 20%. We've seen that time and time again in the penny stock market. Some of these drop over 20% per day. However, that is a risk of crypto investing. You can see it, 5 risks of crypto investing, and price volatility is probably one of the main ones. They are so volatile. Bitcoin has been crazy high, crazy lows, like, you know, all over the place. Same for Dogecoin. They are so volatile, crypto. You got to have strong hands to be holding crypto, that's for sure. Okay, but over time, the aim is hopefully here it will pay off. But Shiba Inu could be down for a couple of different reasons. Number one here, it does go on to say about the crypto market obviously plunging as well, alongside cryptocurrency markets after recording major gains since the start of the year, which is true. We've seen that in the stock market. Crypto as well can equally be as volatile. However, also Elon Musk announced that Tesla will no longer accept the cryptocurrency for buying cars. That's Bitcoin. However, Bitcoin is the market leader. If Bitcoin's having a bad day, sometimes it can rub off onto these other cryptocurrencies. So maybe people have started getting a bit worried about that. But the real reason here, okay, so we've got Elon Musk, we've got Binance as well, by the rumor, sell the news, along with other exchanges, okay? That's another reason. They have other exchanges that they've been gaining more momentum. People are starting to take some profits. Maybe that's why it's dropped down. But the main reason here was this, okay? Vitalik donates $1 billion worth of Shiba Inu and Ethereum to India COVID relief fund. Now, Vitalik here, this guy is basically one of the Ethereum founders, one of the Ethereum owners. Vitalik Buterin, who is the co-founder of Ethereum, has donated $1 billion worth of coins to India. So originally, people just saw this big sell-off. The percentage that he owned was about 50%, and it went down to about 45%, something like that. And yeah, people saw that. People started getting panicky. Why are they selling? Why are they selling these coins? And obviously, as you can imagine, the price has followed with it. However, it's for a good cause. 1 billion has gone to Indian COVID relief fund. Now, this does break it down quite a lot on here, okay? Buterin donated around 500 Ethereum and over 50 trillion Shiba, a meme coin that is worth 1.14 billion to the Indian COVID relief fund. And that's been set up by Indian tech entrepreneur, okay? So, however, he has taken to Twitter, which we'll go to in a minute. He says, thank you to Vitalik for the donation. Vitalik, one thing we have learned from Ethereum is the importance of the community. We will not do anything which hurts our community, especially the retail community involved with. We will act responsibly. Please don't worry, SHIB holders. The donation made by Buterin led to a drop of over 35% in SHIB's price in the past 24 hours. But they are reassuring investors and holders right here, okay? Please don't worry, we're not going to do anything crazy. Their plan here is to sell these tokens over time, okay? They're not going to just dump this and obviously leave everyone bag holding potentially. That's what they're saying. Anyway, obviously, you know, take your own element of risk here. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. But that's what they're saying right here. So this money is going to a good cause. And that's exactly what he's saying here. Please don't panic, SHIB holders. And now he's also taken, we can also see Shiba here have also updated their shareholders on this, which is great to see. We actually go into their Twitter, which once again is growing. We are now over 300,000 followers on their Twitter account. I just want to point out. But they said here, a message to the SHIB army regarding today's events. We know that there's strength in numbers, so we are celebrating today's brave actions and stand in support of saving lives and inspiring new holders. Now, people look at this, okay, as if this is a massive amount which is gone. And it is, but in the grand scheme of things, it is not that huge, okay? It's big, but it's not the overall be-all and end-all right here. And it's going to a good cause. And what this is doing actually is giving publicity to this crypto. More and more people have been talking about this one due to these actions here from a co-founder of Ethereum, one of the biggest cryptocurrencies right there in the market to date, and a big rival for Bitcoin. So yeah, they do go on and say this article or this statement here to its holders, which I won't read out the whole thing, but I do want to point out some of it. So VB did not rug us. Okay, he's not dumping our token. He's not acting from a perspective of personal greed. If anything, he's just brought invaluable legitimacy to Shiba token by proving it is not just another meme coin. Now, I do kind of get that as well to some extent. What VB is doing is acknowledging a humanitarian crisis of immeasurable proportions by donating $1 trillion of the largest single contribution in history with Shib. That is insane, okay? $1 trillion right there, okay? Largest contribution in history. India has reported over many cases. It goes on to talk about their crisis right now, which is pretty bad, to say the least. While we couldn't have imagined this scenario when SHIB was founded, our purpose has always been to put the community first. Now, we know that VB understands that this is the international community and needs help from the SHIB army. This honors our purpose as contributing meaningfully to the lives of millions, a fundamental aspect of the SHIB army mission, okay? I really do think this is a good thing overall. And at the moment, though, the reason this is dropping is because people are just seeing a massive sell. And they don't really understand the reasoning behind it. They don't understand what this is about, donating money. This is not just somebody just dumping this for personal gain. He's getting no personal gain from this whatsoever. So we do want to consider that as a factor. But as we know, crypto is volatile at the best of times without somebody donating $1 trillion worth. And not to mention, of course, you know, Elon Musk saying that he's not going to no longer accept Bitcoin payments. And then, obviously, all these exchanges going through. The exchanges is a good thing, but we've seen it time and time again. Buy the rumor, sell the news. That seems to be the way in the stock market. And some of that can transfer, of course, to the crypto market as well. But with all that being said, okay, whilst this is down at the moment, we are still up over the last 7 days. We are still sitting on crazy gains if you bought any time within the last 7 days. That's one thing for sure. We may be down in 24 hours, but is that the worst thing? Okay, no. We look here. It is still the #1 most viewed cryptocurrency on CoinMarket Cap. Okay, that's absolutely insane, beating SafeMoon, DogeCoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the big players in the game right now, and it is still up crazy gains over the last 7 days and even more so over the last 30 days. It has a whopping market cap and a massive volume of over 6 billion, okay, almost 7 billion right there in the volume. So yeah, they are still absolutely smashing at this moment. And even if we go on a BSC scan, you can see the current holders, there are more people buying into this cryptocurrency every single second, okay. We are seeing transfer after transfer every single second, every minute, etc. And then also this, we still have our percentages. Our biggest percentage, second one here from the holders, is 9.47%. Kind of large, but we've seen a lot higher in other situations. We have 6%, 6%, and then we have the 30% on the dead pile. Now, these are the wows. These big percentages, the 9 and the 6, etc. They're quite big wows right there, okay? They have big holdings. So we want those percentages to start somewhat go down and put them more to the retail investors as well. Over time, that will happen, and it will give this cryptocurrency or this meme token, whatever you want to call it, more and more stability. That's just something to look forward to. Just to wrap this off, I just want to point out a couple other key points that have came out since this Vita link, okay, which is this: a new exchange selling SHIB. This time it's from India, okay, and we're talking about, I'm not sure how to say this name here, but WAZIR, WAZIRX. Shiba token is now listed on WAZIR, and you can see it's trading live. You can now buy, sell, and trade in our INR and USDT market. That was not too long ago, okay, that was just a day, few hours ago. And then we also had this, even more recent, just a couple hours ago, okay. SHIB is open for trading on 𝐏𝐚𝐭𝐫𝐞𝐨𝐧 SHIB USDT. SHIB is an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building, but yeah, it is now listing its launch here on 𝐿_token. More and more exchanges are taking up SHIB. More and more investors are noticing this one. Yes, somebody selling a big amount of shares or donating a big amount of shares has obviously seen the share price drop, or which we say the crypto price drop. However, what it has done is draw more and more publicity to this token. So yeah, big community driving this one. It's definitely exciting. We're going to keep giving you the updates on Shiba. Let me know, are you holding this one? Are you not? Look, I say, you should always do your own research when investing into any crypto out there. They're extremely volatile. Obviously, take everything I say here with a pinch of salt. I'm just giving you the updates on Shiba. But yeah, we'll keep giving you the updates. And if you appreciate that, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.